What's up, KamaTV? It's your dating coach Emre from KamaLifestyles.com. Back on the streets for another thought-provoking discussion. Today, we're diving into a topic that sparked plenty of debate. What do you think about older men dating younger women? Now, before we jump into this juicy topic, let me remind you of some famous couples who have defied age gaps in their relationships. Donald Trump is 24 years older than Melania. Mick, Jagger and Pacino are over 40 years older than their partners. And who could forget Leonardo DiCaprio, who has been linked to several younger women throughout his career. Personally, I believe age is just a number and love knows no bounds. But hey, let's see what our lovely folks on the street have to say about it. So grab your popcorn and get ready for some intriguing insight as I hit the streets to get you the most honest answers. So stay tuned. What do you think older men dating younger women?
I think it's fine. Sometimes it's really creepy and sometimes it's okay.
I think it's fine.
If you find someone that you really like, then age is but a number.
There's definitely an age limit for girls, especially. I think, especially with like 18 and older, they have to be like at least 21 to date an older man.
You know, love is love, so like age doesn't matter at the end of the day.
It depends of the difference of age. I mean, if it's 30 years difference, it's kind of weird.
I think it depends how old the man is. My dad is 15 years older than my mum. Okay. And they are still together like 20 years later, so I think it can't be a problem.
If there's a mutual agreement, like if you're both on the same page, if you're both happy to do it, I don't see anything wrong with it.
I think you can live your life, and as I always say to people, as long as you're safe and happy, it's
like 40 years. That's a big gap. Yeah, that's.
I think love is love. I think sometimes it's really creepy and sometimes it's okay. It depends. Like if it's like a 30-year-old woman and like 50-year-old men, I think that's okay. But when it's like 18-year-old girls and 35-year-old guys, I think that's weird.
It depends. Do they have money or not?
Well, let's say that one group has some money, the other group has no money.
If they have money, then yeah. If they don't have money, then no.
Can be a bit inappropriate, not gonna lie. I can't say I approve all the time.
I mean, Donald Trump is 24 years older than Melania, for example. You know, what do you think?
So 24-year-old dating anyone above.
24 years older than Melania.
They say that 24 after that your like frontal cortex and stuff, you're like all fully formed. So I guess you kind of can, but I still think it's a bit weird.
Very common.
Okay.
Unlike you understand.
My ex is 45 and I'm 24.
Okay.
And he was still so immature. So the girls get it and the men don't. No matter how old they are, they're emotionally immature.
Yeah, I think it's okay. It depends on the age difference.
I think it can be a bit nasty, but it's if the girl wants it and she's totally okay with it.
If you get with someone who's like 10 years younger or something and you've met in an organic way, you vibe with their spirit, you connect, fine, do your thing. But it's when there's a power imbalance and the woman needs you, I think that's weird.
Age is just a number to an extent, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, so I wouldn't really like use age to like defy anything, you know? It's more about chemistry, I would say. I think it's like it's everyone's preference. Do you know what I mean? Like whatever you prefer, whatever you're comfortable with, so go for it.
So what's the ideal age gap, do you think, girls?
I think it's like 5 years is good enough.
5-7 years difference.
So I think a 5-year age gap is amazing if you're not a teenager. I think if you're in your 20s, going for somebody who is 3 to 5 ages older than you, I think is amazing because you will cognitively be quite on the same level.
Younger of 1 year and older of maximum 6 years.
Is a 1 year age gap.
1 year age gap, right?
But yeah, I don't think there's an ideal scenario. As long as they're both like on the same maturity, same stage, same time of life, like they want to do the same things at the same time.
4 or 5 years older than what I would be.
So 4 or 5 years older.
Yeah. For me, I wouldn't date anyone older than 5 years at this point, mainly because I am quite young myself and I want to just, I don't know, just not for me the bigger age gaps right now.
2 years, 3 years? Because I'm quite young. To me, that was fine.
Okay.
6 to 8 years.
68 years for you.
Older, yeah, God, older, yeah.
Older, yeah.
Yeah.
68 years. How about you?
I'd say 10 years.
10 years, okay.
Yeah,
So, yeah, about that. 10.
Maximum 10 years, right?
Maximum.
10 years, and you're 68.
Yeah, I'm just the awkward one, yeah.
As small as possible, but like not ridiculous. Maybe like 5 years.
I think 5, 4.
5.
Yes.
I would agree with you. Yeah, I would agree. Like 5 years.
5 years.
Yeah, max.
Plus minus 5 years is healthy.
Okay.
It's 10 years.
10 years, okay.
Yeah, I think the woman should be 10 years younger than the man in terms of maturity, in terms of frontal lobe solidifying, in terms of understanding the world.
For me, I like somebody who's like 2 years older.
2 years older. How about you?
Yeah, 1 or 2.
Well, my hinge is on to 37 and I'm 26.
Okay, 11 years, right?
Quick maths, yeah.
3 years. 3 years. 3 years.
3 years?
3, 4 years.
1? 6 to 10 years. And the girl being younger. So I think it's like my parents had a 6-year gap. I think the man should be older. Not much older, but a little bit.
I'm 29, so 60 tops. But they have to have a young spirit.
For me personally, I would say 5 years, max 10.
I'm 22, so I would say like maybe max is like 7.
And there you have it, folks. We have heard a variety of perspective on older men dating younger women, from those who see it as a taboo to those who believe age is irrelevant when it comes to love. From a dating coach's perspective, I believe that as long as both parties are consenting adults and the relationship is built on mutual respect and genuine connection, age shouldn't be a barrier to love. However, it's essential to consider potential challenges such as generational differences and social perceptions. So gentlemen, if you find yourself attracted to someone younger, approach the relationship with honesty, maturity, and a willingness to navigate any obstacles together. Remember, true love transcends age, so embrace the connection and enjoy the journey. If you're looking for more guidance on relationships or enhancing your dating skills, explore our digital products and coaching services at KamaLifestyles.com. Until next time, keep exploring, learning, and embracing the adventure of love. This is Emre, and I'll catch you on my next video.